After a survey revealed that the property line was right against the edge of our driveway and some trees had been removed, it became obvious that we needed some privacy screening along that property line. So the initial step was installing a fence inside the surveyed property line and using 4x4 treated posts in concrete. There's the finished fence after it was stained. You always have to put the really pretty side out toward the neighbor. So the next step was to get more height, and that would require breaking out some asphalt to create a planting strip for 3 trees. So there's the project. Found out there was a second layer of asphalt beneath the first. Here it is, making headway, hurrying to get the jackhammer back on time to the rental yard. And then 3 tons of topsoil delivered for the planting strip and the tree holes. And the trees were in pots. The roots were circling, so they had to be sliced to break that pattern. And there you have the finished project. Beautiful.